Hello everyone, I'm Beaver. I'm a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. This is my baby. He's called SF120. He's 4 years old, and he's been working for 4 years so far. He works 24 hours a day. During his working time, he has almost no problems, for 2 reasons. First, he has very good quality. Second, his owner takes good care of him. This morning, his owner updated his moments, posted a video about his work, and praised his hard work and vitality. He can chew 120 millimeters of metal material, although he often changes teeth, but his chewing muscles are very strong, which does not affect him eating metal at all. I'm Beaver. I'm a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. I have many children, and they all have special skills. Who will my next baby be? Where will he travel and adventure? What kind of personality is he? What can he do? And in which country will he work? I will tell you as soon as possible.